If you want to set up a small studio in your home and have a very tight budget, this video just might be for you. This is Jesús, Manuel, Mena, Garza. I hope you're having a super fabulous day. In this video I talk about my small home YouTube video and photography studio. It's a very modest setup, and if you have only cramped little space to do a video shoot, this might help you out. This might give you some ideas because this space is quite small. It's only about 10 feet by 10 feet. Again, very compact. Back in the good old days when I had my studio in Silicon Valley, the studio went back about 40 feet and was about 20 feet wide, and I would have different backgrounds. I'd put my camera right there, my 4x5, my Hasselblad, my 5x7 and other cameras, and shoot stuff. And it would be no problem. I could go back and forth, and whatever was, get a full body shot or just a head shot, head and shoulder shot. Even group shots in my studio. But in this very cramped space that I have at home, I pretty much only can, do head and shoulder shots, just one shots of me. Maybe, we can have one person here, one person there, but that's about it. Somebody sitting at a table, very modest. I cannot do in this space, maybe in my living room or another space or outside, a group shot or, several people in a photograph. So there are limitations to this studio space. So let's get going and I'll show you stuff in my studio. Let's walk into my modest little studio space. First off, you see there my Fovatech lights. I bought a set of 2 of them. Got them at Amazon for only $299.95. Right there is my musician's gear tripod mic stand, and I got that at Guitar Center. They're very nice down there. And the Tether Tool Rock Solid Master Clamp was only $35.95 at Arlington Camera. And the Zoom H4N audio recorder, I got it in blue, and I got it cheap for $69.99 about a couple years back. Right there's my Rode Video Micro microphone, and it's I got it for $59 at Amazon. It's a good little mic. Yes, I could use a better mic and a recorder. Yes, I could, and I'd love to spend the money on them, but maybe in a couple years. There's my PhotoFlex Light Disc Collapsible 32-inch circular refractor. Has one side's white, one side's silver, and I got it at San Jose Camera, also with the Westcott illuminator arm, the arm that attaches it to my cheapo Fovatech light stands. These are the better light stands, the Flashpoint. I got a couple of these, and they went for $259 for the pair, and I got them at Adorama. And at Amazon I got these little diffusers, these soft boxes, and for the pair was $59.80. And there's a shot of the Westcott panel holder. Very nice. Let's head towards my camera in the back of my massive, gigantic studio. And that's my Benro Slim Video tripod. I got it on sale for under $100 at Arlington Camera. And I got this Lumix G85 along with a bunch of other good stuff for under $1,000. But now it's on sale. But that's how things go. And there's the back of my light panels. I really like my light panels. They're very nice. And finally, my Savage Super White seamless paper. And it was sold at Arlington Camera for around under $40. Of course, prices change and they vary by the time of year and the mood of the company. Thanks for checking out my video. I hope you didn't fall asleep mid-video. That would be depressing. That would be very sad. I'm trying to do my best to impart a little bit of my wisdom. I have a little bit of wisdom to share, so I'm just trying to share it with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. I hope you like the lighting in my studio. I hope you like the mic that I'm using. Again, it's all very modest equipment. I'm not spending a lot of money because, again, why? Because I'm retired. I'm not going to start a new business now. I'm too old. I don't have the energy. I don't have the ganas to start a new business. I just want to play and have some fun. Traveling, doing some photography videos, and, RVing. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. There's some more information in the description on how to get a hold of me. Again, this has been Jesús Manuel Mena Garza. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.